Welcome to my channel. How to make a good CV. If you are applying for a job in Australia, it is important to ensure that your CV meets specific requirements.
So, here are some tips to make a good CV according to AHPRA. Step 1. Begin with your personal details that include your name, contact details, and email address. Step 2. Professional summary that highlights your qualifications, work experience. Step 3. Education. List your qualifications in reverse chronological order, beginning with your most recent degree, which includes the following details. Step 4. Professional experience, which include job title, name of the organization, dates of employment, and key responsibilities. Step 5. Professional development, that is courses and training you have undertaken, including the name of the course, dates of attendance, name of institution. Step 6. References. Add at least 2 professional referees who can provide a reference for you. And you are done. For more information, visit the AHPRA website. Thanks for watching.